The Maisonneuve Library, located in Montreal's Hochelaga-Maisonneuve district in Quebec, Canada, is an architectural highlight housed in a historic neoclassical building from the early 20th century. A 2017 architectural design competition aimed to triple the library's size while preserving its heritage. The result was a major renovation that included the addition of two glass pavilions flanking the original building, enhancing its accessibility and appeal. The project was a collaboration between the architectural firms Hanganu EVOQ, engineering firms NCK and PMA, urban and landscaping atelier Civiliti, and lighting design by Light Factor. Inaugurated in June 2023, the Bibliothèque Maisonneuve is a convincing example of how the past can enrich the present, and vice versa. Its 1912 pavilion carefully restored before being endowed with two contemporary wings. In November 2023, the Fédération des Milieux Documentaires du Québec, an association of librarians and archivists, awarded the Bibliothèque Maisonneuve its Architecture Award for 2023.